Hi subscribers, today I'm going to take you through the fascinating world of cupping therapy. This ancient practice has been used for thousands of years to promote healing and relaxation. By the end of this video, you'll know how to perform cupping therapy and understand its amazing health benefits. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about what cupping therapy is. It involves placing cups on the skin to create suction. This suction is believed to improve blood flow, reduce pain, and provide a sense of relaxation and well-being. There are various types of cups used, including glass, bamboo, and silicone. Now let's go through a step-by-step guide on how to perform cupping therapy at home. Step 1. Choose your cups. For beginners, silicone or plastic cups are easy to use. They're flexible and don't require a flame to create suction. Step 2. Clean and prepare the skin. Make sure the area you're treating is clean and free of any oils or lotions. Applying a small amount of massage oil can help the cups glide smoothly over the skin. Step 3. Position the cups. Place the cup on the targeted area and gently squeeze to create suction. You should feel a slight pulling sensation. Step 4. Move the cups. For a massage effect, glide the cups over the skin in a smooth, circular motion. This helps break up muscle tension and promotes relaxation. Step 5. Leave the cups in place. For a deeper treatment, leave the cup stationary for 5-15 minutes. This allows the suction to work its magic, improving blood flow and releasing toxins. Step 6. Remove the cups. Gently press on the skin next to the cup to release the suction and lift the cup away. Now, let's talk about the health benefits of cupping therapy. 1. Pain relief. Cupping can help alleviate muscle pain and stiffness. It's often used to treat back pain, neck pain, and even migraines. 2. Improve circulation. The suction from the cups increases blood flow to the area, promoting healing and reducing inflammation. 3. Detoxification. Cupping helps draw out toxins from the body, improving overall health and wellness. 4. Relaxation. Many people find cupping to be deeply relaxing. The gentle pulling sensation can relieve stress and promote a sense of calm. 5. Skin health. Cupping can improve the appearance of your skin by increasing blood flow and promoting collagen production. So there you have it. Cupping therapy is a simple yet powerful tool for enhancing your health and well-being. Remember to start slow and listen to your body. If you have any concerns, consult a healthcare professional. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more wellness tips and guides. Stay healthy and take care.